probably wear an apron. I would make more than 24 so I could just give them away or eat them over the course of a week. But I don't think I will be able to. Unless I make them super small buns.
I mean, if you have enough space, sort of, why not?
Okay, just triple the recipe. Okay, what if I'm like that girl, that K-pop person? I should send you the video, it's so funny. She mass produces more than me, and it's so funny.
Is it a competition?
It definitely. I mean, I like feeding other people. Have I made bad food yet? I don't know. But I think it'll be cool. Okay, 4 cups of flour, 24 cups cornstarch. 24. Wait, I meant 25, so it's a 4. Oh, I went to Ross yesterday and I found a bunch of measuring cups and measuring spoons. The only problem is that they were together and we would have so many measuring cups and I'll need the spoons. But they were so cheap, but I'm like, it's okay. We'll just never. $4 for. I know, but it's like plastic.
Those ones we have also fun.
I know, but that was before. I had these since like I was little. Like high school. Cornstarch. Just a lot of salt. If I make this too salty, that'd just be sad. Would you eat it? Eat one, even if it's bad? Like try?
Yeah. Why do you say that?
I don't know.
You really have no confidence in yourself.
Sometimes. This is a winged recipe after researching. Ever? Or like, what do you usually eat it with? Or you don't eat it at all? This is flour, salt. This is yeast. And sugar. Flaxseed egg with vanilla extract. And coconut oil. Okay, the dough has risen. It's been 2 hours. Now, I will see how much balls it can make. Proof for 30 minutes. You can see the flax seeds.